Yeah.
Are we starting?
Yeah, you start modern
normal.
talk.
Yeah? Yeah? Okay. Well, that's odd. Okay, sure. Hey guys, there's a bomb in the supermarket, but it's in a bar of chocolate.
Interesting.
So, let's go. Okay.
We're finna go in the
And-
store.
Alright, ding dong. We don't have to read it.
I don't know why you rang the doorbell. We're in a supermarket. Okay, so where do we start?
I'm gonna start eating.
Okay.
You're gonna eat.
yeah.
You're gonna eat
Shakespeare.
chocolate, even though I know.
That's
Sorry,
that's
you gotta go.
that's a bad idea. No.
Shakespeare!
I suggest thou dost not consume
But if it's
thou
I
cocoa
consume
butter
it,
and
it's
milk
normal.
because
This is really good.
That's gonna give you
Oh,
bad diarrhea.
Okay. That's very explosive. But
Get it, Bob?
Sorry,
Okay, I'm gonna shake some boxes.
Shakespeare.
I just shaking thine boxes.
It's a coconut and
I
nut
shall
chocolate.
go this away.
What are you
Or
doing? What if
I-
that has the bomb?
I
Yeah.
sense thus the bomb over here.
Over here. Normal. All right, so I'm just gonna. Oh, this one's good. All right.
There's so many chocolate bars
What
here.
if it's in it like a teddy bear chocolate thing, like the big one? Like-
Are you just trying to eat the teddy bear's heads off?
I'm not gonna say no.
Are these?
Yeah. Yes, it.
Dost thou bars of milk and cocoa powder contain thus gluten?
The gluten.
Possibly yes. Possibly.
The thou is allergic.
Then don't just eat it, and I will consume it.
Thine gluten is only in the
More chocolate chips
wheat
for me.
product.
It may contain gluten. Normal. All right, I think I found it. Ooh. Well,
Okay.
yeah, this is like the biggest chocolate that would make
Yeah.
sense. So it's kind of ticking, and we have about 30 seconds left, guys. So
Why don't you just eat it?
BRB, let me go get my cutters.
What? That is a good idea.
Thine must cut the blue wire.
No, I say it's the red wire. It's definitely the red.
Hold it.
Oh, maybe
What if it be the green wire?
How that makes sense of. I concur. Green wire. Oh,
Oh, wow.